In a recent video, I shared with you that there are now no longer VA loan limits by county. So for many of you, that will open up some unique investment opportunities available to you with your VA loan. One very common one is the ability to buy multifamily real estate. But there are some things you need to know before you go out to use your VA loan for that type of investment. The first thing to keep in mind is that in that purchase, you need to have no more than 4 units in the development, in the building that you're purchasing in order for it to qualify for a VA loan. In those units, the rents that you're getting from tenants other than yourself are actually going to be able to be used as qualifying income for that purchase. But keep in mind, only 75% of the gross rents will be able to be used. So hypothetically, let's say the 3 units outside of yours rent for $100,000 a year. That means that you'll actually get credit for $75,000 a year of additional income to help you to qualify for that loan. That could mean you being able to double your purchase price based on the income that you may have today. The next thing to keep in mind is that those can't be hypothetical tenants. You actually have to have signed active leases in place in order for the VA to allow you to use those to qualify. The next thing to keep in mind is that you yourself are going to have to occupy one of those units, or at the very least have an intention to occupy for unforeseeable circumstances, orders elsewhere, etc., that may take you out of it. Obviously, there are conditions that are in place to make sure that that doesn't prevent you from being able to purchase the property. Last but not least, if you have not been a professional property manager, meaning that you have managed other properties for at least a year, the VA is going to require that you hire a property management company to professionally manage those properties other than your unit when you are getting qualified for the loan. If you're interested in learning more about buying multifamily investments with your VA loan, reach out to a Sentry residential agent or visit us at sentryresidential.com.